So we had Hurricane Irma through here last night. You can see there's brush everywhere. It was beating up against our house all night. There's just brush everywhere. Our neighbors got a lot of limbs down there. It was pretty nasty. The transformers blew out around midnight. We saw them, big, bright flashes of light. And this is just the aftermath of the hurricane. It's still very windy today. You see the trees just blowing. Probably shouldn't be out here. It's kind of blowing me. But I wanted to show the main damage we got from the hurricane. We actually had one of our buildings go down back here. We're lucky nobody got hurt. The wind was just blowing and roaring. And here's our tree house. The tree house got knocked down. I don't know how well you can see that, but that was a very sturdy tree house that was built by a master carpenter, and it's gone. The kids will be very sad. Just brush down everywhere. There's been chainsaws going off all morning basically, and over 100,000 people have lost power in Marion County. This is hurricane wind force, what it can do. And we're just lucky to be okay and not be hurt from anything. Hopefully we'll get our power back on in the next few days. Scary stuff, but we survive together. And that's how we do it in Florida.